Hey there, I'm Henry Barton, and I'm here to talk to you about how we can repair the ozone layer. You see, the ozone layer is made up of a molecule called ozone, which consists of 3 oxygen atoms. It's found naturally, in small amounts in the upper atmosphere, known as the stratosphere. But it can also form near the ground when heat and sunlight cause chemical reactions. The ozone layer plays a crucial role in protecting us from the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiation, or UV. It absorbs UV light, which reduces our exposure to radiation that can cause skin cancer and cataracts. However, it's important to note that when we inhale ozone, it can react chemically in our respiratory tract, leading to negative health effects. In the 1970s, scientists realized that the ozone layer was under threat due to the accumulation of man-made chemicals containing halogens like chlorine and bromine. These chemicals, known as ozone-depleting substances, can thin or deplete the ozone layer. You might have heard of the Antarctic ozone hole, where ozone thins out each spring. But there's good news. Gold nanoparticles have been found to interact with aqueous ozone, producing a resonance shift. These nanoparticles can catalyze surface reactions, including ozone dissociation. This means they could be used as sensors to detect the presence of ozone in the air. Moreover, thanks to an international agreement called the Montreal Protocol, the ozone layer is slowly repairing itself. This global agreement, which went into effect in 1989, aims to phase out the chemicals that deplete the ozone layer. According to a United Nations report, the ozone layer is on track to mostly recover by the middle of the 21st century. It's truly one of the most successful environmental agreements to date. So, there you have it. We know what the ozone layer is made of, and we're taking steps to repair it. Let's continue working together to protect our planet and ensure a brighter future for everyone.